smiles before her eyes. Wooden table, basket full, sweet like sunshine, heart so